Infinix is joining the Flip Wars at ang pinakauna ng entry is this phone right here. This is the Infinix Zero Flip. And let me tell you, for 30K, this isn't bad. Now take note, these are just my first impressions kasi kakakuha ko lang sa kanya kaninang hapon, pero so far, it's checking all the boxes. Maganda ang cover screen that measures in at 3.64 inches. Solid ang main display since LTPO ang gamit nilang panel dito, and both those screens have 120Hz refresh rate. Okay din ang internals ng device na to with a MediaTek Dimensity 8020, 16GB of RAM, and 512GB of storage, all powered by a 4,720 mAh battery. Those specs should make it okay for day-to-day tasks, pero we'll be testing it out more to see kung okay nga ba siyang gawing daily driver. Para sa cameras naman, lahat sila 50 megapixels, pero pasensya na, wala pa tayong camera samples. Pero yung isang pinagmamalaki ni Infinix dito sa phone na to is yung DV mode, which I'm guessing stands for digital video, which are filters to emulate camcorders kasi ika nga ng mga Gen Z ngayon, it's a vibe. Sorry, di ko napigilan. Napakringe ako sa sarili ko. But yes, I said it. But please check back in a few days to see our review of the first flip from Infinix, the Infinix Zero Flip. Pa-follow na rin kung hindi kayo nag-cringe masyado.